Hello students, very good morning to you all. In today's class I teach you one more interesting C program, that is to swap the contents of two variables but without using temporary variable. In the last lecture video I taught you how to write a C program to swap the contents of two variables using temporary variable. I taught you, but in this class I teach you how to interchange the contents of two variables without using temporary class or temporary variable. Whatever I taught in my last class, just I revise for 1 minute. Again, analogy example, we have three classes. One is the temporary class, one more in second class we have water, in third class we have juice. The game or the problem is like that. You have to interchange the contents of these two variables, second and third. Water should enter into the third class, juice should come inside the second class. How to swap, how to interchange, as we discussed in the last class. Temp equals to water. I have taken the water inside the temporary glass, then water equals to juice, then juice equals to temp. That is what we did by using temporary variable. But now it is not there. Now there is no temporary glass. You need to interchange only these two without using it. That is the question. What is the question? Swap. You have to swap these two contents, but do not use it. Do not use it. But here both are liquid. It is very difficult for us to swap without using temporary. We need to be good at chemistry. Now without using temporary we interchange, but only the numbers here. Only the numbers. Don't compare this problem with the analogy example. Now for example, first we do the discussion so that you can understand. Now what I do, again we need two variables, int a comma b. We have two variables, no values at all, both are empty now. Now a is also empty, b is also empty, no values inside. Now what you have to do, I clear the screen. Okay, no problem, as usual. Then we print the message, enter a and b, enter a and b, or enter two values a and b. How to read? Scanf %d, then address of a, address of b. Now machine is waiting. Assume I have given 10 and 20 as input. I press enter key. Where 10 will be stored? Can you tell me? Oh, very good. 10 will be stored in A. Excellent. Where 20 will be stored? In B. Now the real intelligence begins. You have to swap now. You have to interchange both, but don't use temporary. Then how to interchange? Can you think? Oh, very good. Your answer is right. Sir, you are telling me to do not use temporary. Then what you do? Sir, in A only I store both the values. Huh? Oh, very interesting. In A memory only I store both. Oh. Then how to store in A only both? A equals to A plus B. A equals to A plus B means what? In A only I store, I make the sum of A and B and I store. That means A equals to A plus B means A is how much? 10. B is how much? 20. 10 plus 20 how much? 30. Oh. Means what we did? In A we stored 30. That means 10 is replaced with 30 now. A equals to A plus B means what happens? Now A has become 30. Oh, very good. Now A is having 30, no? That means A is having B. A is having B. Sorry. A is having both the values. Sorry. Now A is having both the values, no? A is having 30 means A is having both the values. From both the values, I remove B. Means both the values means 30. B means 20. 30 minus 20 how much? 30 minus 20 is how much? 10. 10. What is that 10? Previously that was A. Now I write B equals to A minus B. Means from both, A means what? Both. From both I removed B. From both, if I remove B, from both, if you remove B, A is remaining. Means B becomes A. Understood all of you? B becomes how much? 10. B becomes 10. That means B has become A. Oh, interesting. A equals to A is having both the values. A is having both the values. From both the value I remove B. Now B is how much? 10. In reality, now B is having A. Now previously that was different. Now B is having 10. No, B is having A only. That is 10. A means both. From both, if you remove A, B remains. That means A becomes B. A is how much? 30. From 30 remove 10. From 30 remove 10. If you from 30 if you remove 10, 20. Oh, very good. Now A has become B. Oh, over. Now what I did, I have swapped. Means I interchanged the contents of both the variables without using temporary variable. What was the logic? In A only I stored both 10 plus 20. I explain you slowly once again. First time I entered 10 and 20. A is having 10, B is having 20 here. A equals to A plus B. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 is stored here. From 30 I am removing B. From 30 I am removing 20. That means 10. B has become 10. Oh, very interesting. B has become 10. Now A is having both the values still 30. From both the value I remove B. B means A now. 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10 is how much? 20. 30 minus 10. A equals to A minus B. 30 minus 10, 20. What happened? A has become B. B has become A. This is what the logic. I hope you understood. I convert my explanation into a program. What we need to do, how to write this program? First, we allocate two variables. We define two variables. We clear the screen. We print the message. We read two values. Once we read two values, we show before swap. Printf /n before swap I print the value of A and B /n. A equals to %d, B equals to %d, A comma B. Then afterwards you have to swap. What is the logic? A equals to A plus B. Next, A equals to A plus B means what? In A only we store both the values. B equals to A minus B means what? From both I remove B. From both if you remove B, A, that becomes B becomes A. B has become already A. From both I am removing B. From both I am removing B means indirectly I am removing A. From both if I remove A, B remains. That means A becomes B. Afterwards you have to print. After swap, what I do? I print the contents of same memories, same variables. Definitely I get interchanged value, get ch. Then program is over. In my last lecture video I taught how to interchange without using temporary. You can watch that video also. You can watch this video also. You get confidence on you. Then all the instructions must be inside the main function. Which header file we add? Standard input output header file. You can write comments also. Comment why you have written this program. C program to swap two values without using temp variable. This is what the comment, not an instruction. Here my source code started. This is called as source code. This is called as source code. Source code means machine is going to understand. Okay, I hope everyone has understood. What is the output? Output of this program is we get the message enter A and B. Enter A and B. 10 and 20. Not only 10 and 20, you can enter other values also. Then we get before swap A equals to 10, B equals to 20, as well as we get after swap A equals to 20, B equals to 10. We have interchanged without using temporary. Now practical I run and I show you. Run the software. You need to wait for a few seconds. Wait. We get editor. You know what are the steps I follow already. You are following me. I hope everyone is understanding. You are all intelligent. And first what you need to do, can you tell me? We have to close. Okay, go for window menu, close all, go for file menu, new, hash include stdio.h standard input and output header file, main int a comma b, no temporary, clr is here, then printf, enter a and b values, then scanf %d, address of a, address of b, a equals to a plus b. In a only I stored both. A equals to a minus b. From both I removed b. That means b equals to a minus b. From both I removed b, means a. B becomes a. A equals to a minus b. From both I removed b, means a I removed, a becomes b. But before swap I printf. Before swap I displayed the values, printf a equals to 1 value, b equals to 1 value, a comma b, /n you may use or you may not. How to copy these two? Select, go for edit menu, then paste, Ctrl KH for unselect, then after swap, then wait to see the result. Over. Give the program name, program number 10.c, run the program. A and b, 10 and 20. Before swap A is 10, b is 2. After swap 20 and 10. Sorry, somewhere I did mistake in printing. Okay, a equals to a %b. Okay, I run the program. 10, 20. Why I am getting b equals to 2 here? A equals to a plus b. Before swap, /n I have to type here. I type what else? Okay, run it. 10, 20. No, after swap, /b I typed here. Sorry, /n I have to type. B means backspace. That's why one character is removed there. 10, 20. Oh, excellent. Before swap 10 and 20. After swap 20 and 10. I hope everyone has understood. Very good, excellent. You may get these questions in first internal. Please be prepared. Thank you one and all. Take care. If you have any doubts, please send messages.